Hello everyone! Today we are designing a music player. If you are new to this channel, hi, I'm Nikki. I'm a product manager and a startup founder, and I'm doing this 30-day UI design challenge to learn how to use Figma. Today is the day 9 of the challenge and we are going to be designing a music player. Now this is going to be quite difficult for me because I do not listen to music. So I needed to check how the music players look like these days, just to make sure that I include all the correct buttons. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm going to speed up this video and in the end we are going to review the result. Okay, so I think we are done. I created this simple music player, so there is a minimized version of it, and when you click on it, it will expand you the full app and show you the song that is currently playing. I went for a really simple gray design with a small gradient, and then I used this kind of like a lime and a very neonish green to show how much music was already played. I also added the menu on the bottom with a little icons, but I also added the names for the icons so it's a little bit more usable for people who might not recognize what they mean, because there's nothing more annoying than you clicking on the icon and afterwards figuring out what it does. I actually created just a few icons by myself, which are the play icon and back and forward, but the rest of the icons I used this icon library called Ever Icons. I'm going to link it in the description. If you like them, you can use them as well. It's a free library that you can use. Tomorrow is going to be a day 10 of the Design UI challenge, and we are going to be designing social sharing. I think that's going to be much faster than today. Let's see. If you're not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please subscribe and give me a like to support the algorithm, and I hope to see you in the next one.